Welcome to LandingLens, which makes computer vision easy. You could use it to quickly build and deploy a computer vision system. LandingLens is used today in a lot of sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, satellite imagery, and others. To get a sense of the possibilities, check out the example projects on the website. You can also select a project and use a pre-built model to make predictions either on images we provide or on images that you upload, or even an image that you can capture using your own webcam and see what result you get. LandingLens lets you quickly train a computer vision model using your own data. Projects that used to take me many months to do, you'll be able to do in days or maybe even in hours using LandingLens. Let me show you how. The four main steps of a computer vision project are to upload your images, to label your images, train a model, and then to make predictions. Say you're a forest ranger wanting to build a computer vision system to give early warnings of forest fire. You'd collect a sample of images with and without fires, and to upload these images, simply drag the images to your web browser. To label, draw rectangles to point out the fires to the AI, like this. After labeling your data, to train a model, all you have to do is click one button, like this. This uses an automatically optimized choice of an AI model. For users that are experts in computer vision, our advanced options also let you tune the model yourself, but for many applications, letting LandingLens do the tuning will be fine. After training, to make predictions, drag a new image here. Making predictions like this can also be easily applied in any application or on any website via an API call to LandingLens. And that's it. In just minutes, you can go all the way from starting a project to training a cutting-edge model and making predictions. If you want to keep improving your model's performance, you can also upload more images, provide more labels, retrain, and so on until it's working well enough that you have a model ready for production deployment. If you have any questions, or if you build or discover something cool that you're willing to share, please let us know as well on the community website. I hope you have fun using LandingLens.